These are very nocturnal kitties. They only like to play late at night. Right, Fuzzy Wuzzy? That's my Fuzzy Wuzzy. That's my Fuzzy Wuzzy bear. That's my favorite. Shh, don't let him know that's my favorite. Fuzzy, Fuzzy, don't let him know that you're my favorite, okay? Don't get upset. Let's go find your brothers and sisters. Let's see. There's one. There's another. Which one is this? Is Blanca. No, that's Torty. That's Torty back there. Torty show cat. That's Blanca. Get the joke? Rex! Come out of the closet, Rex! It's 2018. Even with this president, you can come out of the closet. Rex! Rex! Come out of the closet! Rex! We'll support you. I'm P-Flag. P-Flag! Torty! Did you find a ladder you like? Did you find a ladder you like, Torty? Oh, there's Blanca! She's making her debut. She really loves that. She loves that a lot. Get it, kill it, kill that fly. Uh-oh, I think Torty might be stuck. No, take that back. Look at her. She loves that. Let's get some light on this subject. Okay. That's a little hard to see, you guys. You're so darn... Uh-oh. I don't know if Roseanne would like you guys, now that I think about it. Too soon? Too soon, folks? Is it too soon? Oh, no. Well, I've got some gray cats here. So far, she hasn't said anything about Hispanics. Let's follow the kitties. Follow the pussycats. Oh, what a pussycat. What a pussy. Oh, that's Blanca. Blanca. She comes alive at night. Buddy! You want out? Have you done your time? Guess what? I know where you can get a pardon real cheap. Somebody's handing them out like candy or kitty treats. I can get you a full pardon and clemency. I can do it, Torty. I know where to go. Find myself a reality star and send him to the White House, and I'll plead for your pardon. I'll plead. Someone in the White House likes pussy cats, I'm sure. Yeah, a little too dark. Oh, who's peeking their head out? Who's peeking their head out? Is that my Fluffy Wuffy? He's a pussy cat. Cuckoo clock. Cuckoo, can you get out? Can you make it? Let me try. Let me try to make some room. Oh, let's see. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. He did it. He's free. Okay, now do you want a pardon? I'm telling you, I can get you one. They're handing them out real fast. You and Mike Flynn. Yep, you guys are next. Woo! Who's over there? Who's over there? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You guys sure know how to party. Yes, you do. You know how to party. Party!